How to invite and play with friends in Helldivers 2. Hello and welcome Estimate Gamers. We are delighted to have you join us for today's educational session where we will guide you through the intricate process of broadening your social network in the world of the Helldivers 2. To kick off this venture, focus your attention on the pause menu and locate the social segment. Within this realm, you will discover a dedicated search feature at the top and make use of this tool to either enter the unique friend code shared with you by your ally or create and share your own personalized code. After completing this step, enter the code, proceed to your friend's profile, and send a friend request. Once your request is accepted, and you will have the opportunity to invite them to join your team or seamlessly merge into theirs through the friends section. So this is basically on how can you invite and play with friends in Helldivers 2. We sincerely hope that this visual demonstration has been exceedingly beneficial to you. Remember, feel free to demonstrate your gratitude by endorsing and subscribing. We deeply appreciate your presence and support. See you in the next video.